Tired of stumbling upon distracting or inappropriate websites on your phone? Chrome on mobile, while powerful, doesn't have a built-in, straightforward website blocker like you might find on desktop. But don't worry, we've got you covered. There are a couple of effective workarounds. We'll start with the simplest option, so go ahead and open your Google Chrome browser app on your phone. The easiest way to block sites is to use a third-party app. Head to the Google Play Store or the App Store. Depending on your device, in the search bar type BlockSite. This user-friendly app does one thing really well: tap Install. Once installed, open BlockSite. The app will likely ask for some permissions to function correctly. Grant these permissions carefully, paying attention to what each one allows. Usually this will require granting accessibility permission for the app to monitor the websites you visit. To block a website, tap the plus button, which usually appears somewhere prominent on the screen. You can now manually enter the website address you want to block, or browse a list of commonly blocked categories to add after you type the website. Tap the check mark or add button to confirm it, and just like that, the website is now blocked. When you or someone else tries to visit it on your Chrome browser, it won't load. Keep in mind, this method relies on a third-party app and its reliability. If the app isn't working properly, your blocked sites may become accessible again. There are many different apps that do the same in this space, so if BlockSite isn't working, BlockSite isn't working well for you. Try some similar alternatives. Enjoy a safer and more productive browsing experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.